So this type of unit is really good for those families. Hi guys, welcome back to X and You, and today we are in the Piccadilly Grand show flat. Currently I'm in the 4-bedroom plus dual key unit. This whole unit here is a 4-bedroom. Then on the outside you have a dual key, which is a 1-bedroom unit on its own. So this type of room is really good for those big families that wants to stay together but also wants a little bit of privacy, or for those that want to have an investment unit. Because technically when you buy a dual key unit, you are buying a 4-bedroom and a 1-bedroom together. Sorry about that guys, but I have to move to this 2-bedroom unit that is fully sold out. Yes, fully sold out, because there are some agents and some prospective buyers looking at the 4-bedroom unit. I want to talk more about the 4-bedroom because it's not yet sold out, and I'm going to tell you just three reasons why you should buy Piccadilly Grand if you are able to afford it. Okay, first reason, location. Location is really good because it's actually not in the core central region of Singapore, but in the rest of central region Singapore, which technically means it's still in the central. It's just that it's a bit further out for it to not be as expensive as the central, but still very close. Second thing is, like I say, if you're buying the 4-bedroom plus dual key, it's like you purchasing 2 units with the tax of 1 unit, right? Because in Singapore, the taxes for property is very high. I show you the taxes right here. Okay, so as a Singaporean, you don't have additional tax on your first property, right? So that's why the 4-bedroom plus dual key is very exciting, because you're buying 2 units at the price of 1 in terms of tax. Yeah, so you're saving a lot in tax. The third one is its amenities. You can see there's a pool. I think there is 3 different type of pool, which is a kids pool, family pool, and the 25-meter pool. Instead of taking the MRT, you just walk over to City Square, which you have Don Donki, Decathlon, all the major tenants like iStudio, and you know, a lot of eateries, and also fair prices there to purchase your groceries, right? So these are the 3 major reasons why Piccadilly Grand is really a good purchase. I can put my Instagram below, so you can just direct message me via Instagram. Then I can go and view the show flat together. Who is this for? So obviously this is for people that have a high salary. High salary meaning like more than 10,000, because the value now for the 4-bedroom, the cheapest is about 2.8 million Singapore dollars. It's a rare gem right here. Still 33 units available as of now, and do get calling before all the units are taken up. So that's all guys. Like and subscribe, and see you next week.